Hindi Varnamala, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then say with me.
A.
I, E, U, U, Ru. E, I, E, I, O, Au, Aha. These are vowels. आ से आहा तक हम स्वर बोलना है. क्या बोलना है? स्वर. We can say these two स्वर.
Swar.
Okay. A to aha.
A to
Aha. We can say it as swar.
Swar.
Vowels.
Vowels.
Okay. Next, consonants means
Consonant.
vyanjan.
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 Okay. We'll learn about vyanjan. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ka.
Ka.
Kha.
Kha.
Ga.
Gha.
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 Nya.
Nya.
Cha.
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 Ja.
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 Ini.
Ini.
Ta.
Ta.
Tha.
Tha.
Da.
Da.
Dha.
Dha.
Ana.
Ana.
Ta.
Pa.
Tha.
Tha.
Da.
Da.
Dha.
Da.
Na.
Na.
Pa.
Pa.
Pha.
Pa.
Ba.
Ba.
Bha.
Bha.
Ma.
Ma.
Ya.
Ya.
Ra.
Ra.
La.
La.
Va.
Va.
She.
She.
Sha.
Sha.
Sa.
Sa.
Ha.
Ha.
Ksha.
Ksha.
Tra.
Tra.
Jna.
Nya.
Shra.
Shra.
Okay. These are Varnamala.
Vanna.
Okay. We'll learn again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A. A.
A. A.
I. I.
I. I.
U. U.
U. U.
Ru.
Ru.
E. I.
E. I.
O. Au.
O. O.
Aha.
Amha.
Ka. Kha.
Kaka.
Ga. Gha.
Gha. Gha.
Inya.
Inya.
Cha. Cha.
Cha. Cha.
Ja. Ja.
Ja. Ja.
Ini.
Ini.
Ta. Tha.
Ta. Ta.
Da. Dha.
Da. Da.
Ana.
Ana.
Tha. Tha.
Ta.
Da. Dha.
Da. Da.
Na.
Na.
Pa. Pha.
Pa. Pa.
Ba. Bha.
Ba. Ba.
Ma.
Ma.
Ya. Ra. La.
Ya. Ra. La.
Va.
Va.
She. Sha. Sa.
She. Sha. Sa.
She.
She.
Sha.
Sha.
Sa.
Sa.
Ha.
Ha.
Ksha.
Ksha.
Tra.
Tra.
Jna.
Nya.
Shra.
Shra.
Okay. Good. We'll go for one more topic. Varnamala completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, we'll go for lines. You know lines, right?
Yes, sir.
So lines in Hindi we can say rekha.
Reka.
If the straight lines means you can say
Kadi reka.
no. Straight means if we say sleeping line we can say Siddhi rekha.
Sidi reka.
If it is sleeping line, Siddhi rekha. If it is standing line, we can say Khadi rekha.
Kadi reka.
Khadi rekha.
Khadi reka.
See here. Khadi
Khadi
rekha.
reka.
Sleeping line, Siddhi rekha.
Sidi reka.
If we say slanting lines, you can say Tirichi rekha.
Sidi reka.
Okay. This is rekha completed. And one more lines. See here. Gumavadar rekha.
Gumavada reka.
Which means curved lines.
Curve.
See here. Right hand curved. Right curved line. See, this is left curved line. This is two right curved lines. This is two left curved lines. This is round.
This is
Vrit.
vrit.
This is trikon.
Tricone.
So these are the curved lines. These are not straight lines. See? So these called Gumavadar Rekha.
Gumadareka.
Okay, lines completed. We'll learn about colors and shapes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
See here in this picture, we can see some colors and also we can find out shapes. What is this blue color shape? You know shapes, right?
Triangle.
Yes, very good. Triangle. In Hindi, we can say trikon.
Tricone.
Trikon.
Tricone.
Okay, very good. And one more. What is this shape?
Circle.
Round, circle. What is this? Circle, which means goal.
Goal.
In Hindi, we can say circle means goal.
Goal.
Right? Goal. This sweet also and these biscuits also are in goal shape. Goal. Okay?
Goal.
And see here. What is this box shape? See here. Square.
Square.
Okay, it is square.
Square.
Square means in Hindi we can say chaukor.
Chakor.
Chaukor.
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 Okay. Triangle, gola,
Gola.
chaukor.
Chaukor.
Triangle means trikon.
Tricone.
Okay, triangle means trikon. Gola, round. Circle means goal.
Goal.
Okay, square means chaukor.
Chaukor.
Okay, now we'll learn about colors in Hindi. This is red color. Okay,
Red.
what is, we can say red color in Hindi? Lal.
Lal.
Lal means red color. Lal means red color.
Color.
Neela means blue color.
Blue color.
Neela means blue
Blue
color. Hara means green color.
Hara means.
Green color. Hara means
Hara means.
green color. Neela means blue. Lal means red. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What is white color? We can say safed.
Safed.
Black color means kala.
Kala.
Okay? You learn about in next one rhyme. Okay? We completed shapes and colors. Okay? Gola, trikon, chaukor. Lala, Neela, Lal, Neela, Hara. Now we go for add letters to words. How can we add letters to words? See here. You know this, right? Ta plus ba. What will be happen?
Tab.
Ta. Very good. We'll do one thing. A plus ka. What I will have?
Egg.
Very good. You know, very good. A.
Ka. Egg.
A. Ka. Egg. Very good. Egg. Egg means what?
One.
Very good, Ashit. What is this?
E.
E. E.
Ka.
Ka.
Eek.
Egg means sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
You know, right? Sugar cane juice.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is this?
A.
Ah. What is this?
Ga.
What will you compare?
Ag.
Very good. Ag means, you know, Ag means fire.
Fire.
See, what is this? Ba.
Ba.
Va.
Va.
What is this? Va.
Va.
Then what is this?
Ma.
No.
Na.
Very good. Very good.
Van.
Oh no. One.
One.
Vana means, what is that vana means? Forest.
Forest.
Good. We'll go for one. What is this? Tell me what is this? Ha.
Hala. Hal.
Hull.
Hal.
Hala. Hull. You know
Hala,
hull
hull.
means? What is that hull? You know Telugu lesson Araka. Right? That is hull. And A.
A.
What is this?
Ra.
No. No. Tha.
Tha.
Art.
Art.
You need to learn Varnamala. You are forgetting Varnamala, right? Ka.
Kamala. Kamalu.
Very good. Ka. Ma.
La.
La. You need to add this. That's it. You need to add this. Ka. Ma. La. Kamala.
Kamala.
Kamala, not Kamal.
Kamal.
Kamal means flower. Bha.
Ba. Va.
Va. Next one is what?
Na. Bhavan.
Very good. Ba. Va. Na.
Bhavan.
No, it's not ba. Bha. Bhavan. Second ba, right?
Bhavan.
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 Very good. One more. Ka.
Ka. La.
Ka. La.
La.
Sh.
Sh. Sh.
Kalash.
Kalash.
Kalash. Very good. We completed
Kalash.
adding words. Use of letters. Okay. Tub.
Tub.
Ek.
Ek.
Eek.
Ik.
Aag.
Ag.
One.
One.
Hull.
Hal.
Art.
Art.
Kamal.
Kamal.
Bhavan.
Bhavan.
Kalash.
Kalash.
Okay. Very good. We'll go for another one. Adding words. Same like. Just now we completed, right? Same. Kha.
Ka.
Kha.
Ka.
Ga.
Ga.
Khag.
Khag.
You know khag means bird.
Woo.
Cha.
Cha.
Kha.
Cha.
Kha. Kha.
Kha.
Check.
Chak.
Ja.
Ja.
Ta.
Ta. Jet.
Only first term. Ta. Jet.
Jet.
Likewise, you need to add
Cha. Ta.
chat.
Chet.
Cha.
Ta.
Ta.
Chet.
Chat. Da. Ka.
Da. Ka. Duck.
Dhak.
Duck.
Very good. You completed like this. You need to.
Add.
Yes, you need to add. See here. U. Ta. Ut. E. Ka. Ek.
Ek.
E. Ka.
Ka.
Eek.
Eek.
Ja. Gha. Jhag.
Jug.
Ga. Ja. Gaj.
Ga. Ja.
Okay,
Gaj.
this is also completed. Word making. What is that word making? We'll see. See, like this. Shabd banao. See here.
Shabd.
Same wise. Ka.
Ka. La. Kal.
Very good. La.
Chala.
Khal.
Kal. Chala. Chal.
No, no, no. Cha.
Chala. Chal.
Cha.
Chala.
La.
Chal.
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 Ja.
Ja. La. Jal.
Very good. Ja. La.
Jal.
No jha. Jal. Normal jha. Na.
Na. La. Null.
Very good. Null means you know, right?
Yes.
Tap.
Tap.
Gel means what?
Jala. Jal.
Gel means what? Water.
Water.
Gel means water.
Water.
Chal means
Huh?
chal. Go or come.
Huh?
Chal. Chalo. Idhar aao. We can say, right?
Yes, sir.
Chal.
Jal.
Kal means what?
Huh?
Kal. Kal means tomorrow or yesterday. Bal means what? Bal. Energy. Bal. Okay. Kala kal.
Kala kal.
Chala chal.
Chala chal.
Jala jal.
Jala jal.
Nala nal.
Nala nal.
Bala bal.
Bala bal.
Okay. Shabdu banavo completed, right? Next, matching. Interesting. Your favorite, right? Okay. See, first what is this? We'll see. Okay. Even I don't know something, but we'll try. Okay. You have to help me. What is this? Hindi. Say.
Anar.
Very good. Say.
Anar.
Sorry. Say. Anar.
Say anar.
Next. Tell me.
Say
Say. Very good. Say.
Imali.
Idli.
Say
Idli. Say. Eek. Say.
Usa un.
No.
Usa
Second.
unt. Usa unt.
We'll see. Say. Un.
Usa un. Usa unt.
Say. Rushi. Say. Say. Ainak. Say. Aurat. Sorry. Idi O. Say. Aurat. Say. Oat. Okali. Very good. Okali. Next, what are the remaining? U. Only is there. U means what? A. U, A. What is that? Tell me. Wool. Very good. Yes, eh? Tell me. A. Try. Okay, remaining is only this one. We'll see. What is this? Okay. This matching also completed. I think A means 8.
That is 8.
8. Next matching. One more matching is there. Okay. We'll see that matching. What is this? Okay. See here. This we know. What is this? Eek. See here. Where is eek? Eek. Very good. Eek. Next. What is this?
Ainak.
Where is the Ainak? Very good, Ashrit. Ainak. Ain.
Machili.
Very good, Machili. Next.
Patang.
Where is that Patang? What is Ta? Yeah, Patang. Tell me that name. Hull. Next, last one. What is this? Read it. Taraju.
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 Okay. जोड़ी बनाओ.
जोड़ी बनाए.
बनाया.
बनाया.
English to Hindi. We'll see what is English to Hindi. Okay. House.
House.
House means what we can say in Hindi. What will you say in Hindi? House means. In Hindi, house means ghar.
Gara. Ghar.
Second ga. Where is the second ga? Here.
Ghar.
Very good. Ghar.
Gara. Ghar.
Ghar. Next to ra.
Ra. Ghar.
Very good. Ra.
Ghar.
Very good. Ga. Ra.
Gara. Ghar.
Ghar. Okay. Ghar. Very good. Next to tub. What? Tub.
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 Taba. Tub.
Where is the ta?
Ta.
Ta. Very good.
Ta.
Ta. Ba.
Ba.
Very good. This one.
Tub.
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 Next to bus. Where is ba?
Basa. Bus.
Very good, Ashit. Ba.
Sa.
Where is the sa? No, it's ha. Sa means this. You need to learn. Okay? After this, you have to write Varnamala 3 times. You are forgetting. Jag. Where is the ja?
Jaga.
Where is ja? No. See here. This is
Ja.
ja. Ga.
Ga. Ga.
Ga.
Jug.
Jag. Very good.
Jug. Jaga. Jug.
Anything you need to learn Varnamala. 10. 10 means Hindi.
Das.
Very good. Da.
Da. Sa.
Sa.
Das.
What happened?
Da. Sa. Das.
Very good. Thus.
Das. 10.
Next to tap. Tap. Hindi. I'll give you hint. Na.
Na.
Say.
La. Nal.
Very good. Na. Say.
Na.
Nal. La.
La. Nal.
Nal.
Nala. Nal.
Nal. Very good. We also completed this also. English to Hindi. Okay, we'll learn more. House.
House.
Ghar.
Gar.
Tub.
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 Bus.
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 Jug.
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 10.
10.
Das.
Das.
Tap.
Tap.
Null.
Null.
Okay, completed?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Ashrit. Next, Hindu to English. Hindi to English.
English.
Okay, very good. Aam. Mango.
Mango.
Kamal.
Kamal. La.
Hmm.
L.
What is that? Kamal.
Lotus. Lotus.
Lo.
This.
Lotus. Lotus.
Lotus. Lotus.
Egg.
Egg.
English.
One. Only one.
Very good. One. Fal. Fal. Fal means what?
Fal.
Fal. Anar, mango, banana. We can say all these are fal in Hindi. What are in English?
F.
What is that? First tell me word. No
Fal.
spelling. Fruits.
Fruits.
F-R-I.
F-R-I.
F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits.
F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits.
Very good. Anda.
Anda. Egg.
E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg.
Anda. Egg.
Very good. Taraju. Balance.
Balance.
Okay. Balance.
Balance.
Machli.
Machili.
What you will say?
Machili.
Machli means what in English? You know machli, right? English. Machli. F for
F for
what? Forget.
F-R-I.
Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Eid. E-I-D. Eid. Okay.
Eid.
We'll learn. Arm. Mango.
Mango.
Kamal. Lotus.
Kamal. Lotus.
L-O-T-U-S. Lotus.
Lotus.
Eid. E-I-D. Eid.
E-I-D. Eid.
Machli.
Machili.
Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish.
F-I-S-H. Fish.
Egg.
Egg.
One.
One.
O-N-E. One.
Only one.
Fal.
Fal.
Fruits.
Fruits.
F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits.
F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits.
Anda.
Anda.
Egg.
Egg.
E-G-G. Egg.
E-G-G. Egg.
Taraju.
Taraju.
Balance.
Balance.
B-A-L-A-N-C-E.
B-A-L-A-N-C-E.
Balance.
Balance.
Okay, what we can say in fal in English? Fal means fruits.
Fruits.
Anda. Egg.
Anda. Egg.
Taraju. Balance.
Taraju. Balance.
Okay, this is also completed. Next, we'll see fruits and vegetables. Okay.